Okay, we are in front of unit 2927. This is where we have a broken line that goes underneath this oak tree. Down here, there's a 1-inch pipe that comes from underneath the road here and goes through here and basically right underneath the middle of this oak tree. And what that does, it then goes underneath the road and it feeds that last island right there. So what we are going to propose to do, we have to continue to do some work down here because you can imagine, or you can see, I don't know if you can, this is just all roots. We've been trying to work on this already, but we're going to try to get to the pipe that's here, come up, and then connect back into these 2 1/2-inch lines, and then bring a new line around here through here, and then we're going to have to dig back down here to find the line to connect it back into that goes underneath the road here.